let's look at an example of a GCSE question with linear equations. This word problem involves linear equations. Now, it's very common where you have to generate or create your own algebraic equation in order to solve it and answer the question. So if you look at this example, Kieran, Jeremiah and Chris play football. Kieran has scored 8 more goals than Chris. Jeremiah has scored 5 more goals than Kieran. Altogether, they have scored 72 goals. How many goals did they each score? First things first, we're going to assign a letter to each person. Then we're going to write algebraic expressions for each part of the question. So Kieran has scored 8 more goals than Chris. So K is represented by C plus 8. Jeremiah has scored 5 more goals than Kieran, so J is equal to K plus 5. Now, if we rewrite the last part here, K plus J plus C is equal to 72. However, we cannot solve this equation. We have 3 unknowns. So we're going to rewrite the equation, so there's only 1 unknown. Now, if we look here, K is a common letter in all of these. So K, Kieran, plus K plus 5, which is the number of goals for Jeremiah. And if we can rearrange this so it's represented by K, we can say K minus 8 is equal to C. So we only have K as our unknown. So K minus 8, and all of these added together is equal to 72. Then we're going to simplify it. So we have 3K plus, or rather, minus 3 is equal to 72. Take 3 to the other side and we have 75. 3K is equal to 75. Then K is equal to 25 once we divide 75 by 3. Now, if Kieran has scored 25 goals, Jeremiah has scored 5 more goals, which brings him to 30 goals. And Chris has scored 8 fewer goals than Kieran, which brings his total to 17. And that's how you solve this equation. Let me know if you have any questions.